Hello, welcome to my channel, TomCaldwellOnline.com. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your own website blog for free with using my favorite platform. And if you find value in this video, please give me a thumbs up, a big thumbs up right there. Where's that thumb? Right there, right here. Okay, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure and subscribe so that you'll be notified each week when I upload a new video. So let's get started right away and go to the computer. There we go. First thing you want to do is key in this link, TomCaldwellOnline.com/free website. And I will leave a description. I will leave the link in the description below this video. Takes you to my favorite platform called Wealthy Site Rubics or Wealthy Affiliate. And this is the home page where you get started. It says, turn your passion into a thriving business. It starts with a beautiful website. And what you would do is choose your website name based on the domain that you want to purchase and based on your niche. I have a video that teaches you how to choose your niche and how to purchase a domain name. So I will also link those videos in the description below. You would enter your desired website name here and hit the blue Build Your Free Website. And since I'm already a member, I'm going to just sign in real quick. All right, I'm already signed in. Let's see. So what this is all about is you get to be involved. You can build a free website, starter website at absolutely no cost, and you have training on, let's see, that covers all the basics. You start with each lesson starts out with a introduction, and it tells you all about the founders and what you'll be learning, how to build your website and create content, and everything you need to know about running your online business is right here in this one platform. And best of all, you get to create your website/blog for free. And of course, if you want access to more training and an upgraded ability to customize your website, you would of course want to go with premium, which let's see if I can figure this out. To upgrade, let's see, you would, let me try this real quick. You would want to go to the premium, which is this link right here. And let's see, let's copy it and let's put it in the browser right quick so you can take a look at that. Okay, for WA Premium, which you don't have to do this right away, you can, but it is highly recommended. You can start your first month of premium for only $19 by using my link, and I will leave a link in the description below. And what you get as a premium member is weekly live interactive classes, a plug into over 300 hours of expert education, online entrepreneurial certification of 50 lessons. Let's scroll down here a little bit. Let's see. You get the affiliate boot camp, which is 70 lessons. And then most of all, you get high-speed web hosting. This is the best web hosting available on the internet, and it only costs you $49 a month to upgrade after your first $19 month. And in order to get this quality of web hosting alone, not considering the training, you're going to equal quality. You would be paying at least $249 a month. So this is a real bargain at $49 a month. Like I said, you don't have to start out like this. You don't have to upgrade right away. You can start with a free blog post, website. And that's what we're doing here in this training series on YouTube. So this is basically the end of this video. All you have to do is sign up at Wealthy Affiliate using my affiliate link that I include in the description down below. So I'm going to end the video right now, and I just have to say, if you found value in this video, give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, be sure and subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you will get notified each week when I upload a new video. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next